Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making chicken Parmesan sliders. Okay, so I'm using chicken breasts. I just cut it up into small pieces. Now I'm just adding my seasoning. Now it's time to mix everything up. And then I'm going to get a bowl, add some flour inside. Then I'm going to put the oil in the pan and let that heat up. Once it heat up, you're going to see I'm going to put each piece of chicken inside and let it fry. Once it was done cooking on that side, I went ahead and flipped them over. Once that was done, I added some more chicken in the pan. They came out really crispy, how I like it. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Hawaiian rolls. I went ahead and opened it. Now I'm just going to cut the bread across the middle. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button to show support. Now that I took the top of the bread off, I'm going to add the chicken. Now it's time to add the sauce on top. Okay, so now I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese on top. Then I'm going to put it in the oven and let the cheese melt. Once the cheese melt, I'm going to put the top of the bread on, then put it back in the oven for like 5 minutes so the bread can toast a little. Now that they're done, I'm going to be putting them on a plate and then I'm going to show you how they came out.